Hello, Room 101. How are you, my friends? I hope you guys are staying home. I hope you guys are washing your hands. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are listening to your parents. I know I've personally missed you guys so much, but now it's time to do an activity with teacher Erika. Raise your hand if you're excited to see me and do an activity with me, because I am so excited to do an activity with you guys. Raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand. I'm waiting for you to raise your hand. Okay, so in order to do this, a super duper fun activity, I want you guys to do one favor for me. So if you don't already, I want you guys to grab a piece of paper, just one piece of paper and a pencil, paper and a pencil. So if you don't have a paper and a pencil already, pause this video, stop this video, and go grab your paper and pencil. Once you have your paper and your pencil, I want you to sit down. Grab a chair, sit down, and okay, now I want you to think of one rule that we use in the class and that we can use when we're watching these videos. One rule. Okay, so think about that rule. Okay, once you have your rule, I want you to grab that paper and that pencil and draw your rule out. Draw whatever rule you thought of. So the rule I thought of was listening ears. So this is my little picture that I drew, and this is my listening ears. So I wrote down listening ears because that's the rule I thought of, and I drew it right over here. I drew my little ear, and I even added a earring, like the tattletale ear we have in our class, friends. Okay, and can anyone tell me when we use this rule? When can we use this rule? We can use this rule when we're doing fun activities like we are right now with your teachers, when we are doing Zoom calls with our teachers. Okay, friends. And now I want to show you guys a really super cool, fun YouTube video. Okay, so let me put that super duper cool YouTube video up for you guys. Let's see.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Treat. Let us go on a tour around the different parts of me. Before that, let me ask you a question. Do you know why Mr. Wind is not able to blow me away? Because I have roots underground. My roots help me to anchor myself firmly to the ground. Also take in minerals and water from the soil so I'm able to survive. The water that is taken in by my roots will be transported through the water-carrying tubes in my stem to the different parts of me. Besides that, my stem also supports and keeps me upright. The water that my roots have absorbed will reach my leaves, which will be used together with sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food for myself. This process is called photosynthesis, and this is how I make food. Don't forget about my beautiful flowers, which are my reproductive parts that would develop into fruits after pollination and fertilization. My fruits do not only contain seeds. Fruits are also a common food source for animals and humans. Yum yum! That are found in my fruits will germinate and form my new baby plants, which I call seedlings. After this tour, I hope you know more about me. See you around, little kid. Thank you for watching.
Who liked that video? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. That was a cool video, right, friends? I'm glad you liked it because I really liked it and I thought you guys were gonna like it. Now, friends, we're gonna go over the four parts of a plant the four parts of a plant that this video talked about. Who remembers? Let's see. Let's pull up a fun picture for you guys. Okay, so the first part of a plant that the video talked about was their roots. And who remembers what the video said about the roots? So I remember that the video said that the roots act like an anchor. So the roots anchor the plant down to the ground. So when the wind comes, it doesn't blow the plant away. So it stays in the ground. And then the second part of a plant that the video talked about was a stem. So the stem right here acts like a straw. So it acts like a straw, and the plant sips of water all the way to the top of the flower, to the leaves, and down to the roots. So the water travels through the plant. And then we also talked about the leaves of a plant. And what do the leaves do? So the leaves gather sunlight, gather water and air, and make delicious food for our plant, and that is called photosynthesis. And then last but not least, we have our flower, our beautiful flower that produces pollen and helps make veggies and fruits. That helps make fruits. Let's see. Okay, friends, so the four parts of a plant that we talked about were the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flower. Those are the four parts of a plant that we talked about. Okay, now that you have those four parts of a plant memorized in your head, I want you guys to draw the four parts of a plant on the same paper that you guys wrote your classroom rule, on the same paper. Okay, so let me show you guys my drawing. It's not the best, and I know I have good artists in my class, so I want you guys to do a better job than teacher Erika. So look here, friends, I started in the bottom and I drew the roots, and then I went up and I drew the stem right here, and then I went up to the leaves, and last but not least, I drew the top, our flower. Okay, friends, so I want you guys to draw your beautiful flowers. When you're done with your flowers, have your parents color that flower however you want, my friends. And when you're done, have your parents take a picture of you holding your flower and send it to your teachers. Thank you for joining me in my activity, friends, for participating, for watching the video. I miss you guys so much. And see you in the next video. Bye, friends.